Are you looking for a business credit card that will give you 0% interest on balance transfers and on purchases with a high limit and that doesn't report credit utilization to the personal credit bureaus? Well, in this video, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to tell you about the SPECTRA Business Credit Card, and you're not going to want to miss it. We're going to talk data points, what you need to know, and this is going to be a video that you need to watch and share with your friends and family. Keep it locked in. Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we teach you how to build credit, leverage credit, and create wealth. So smash that like button for me, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button for me, because I make videos daily and you, my friend, do not want to miss it. If it's your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I promise not to waste your time. I promise to give you all stuff and no fluff. Do me a massive favor. In the comment section below, comment first time watching or first time viewer, so that way I and this amazing Radical Marketer, Radical Nation community can welcome you to the channel and answer your credit question below if you have one. Also, we just love to hear that it's your first time watching, so welcome to the channel. And for all of you radical marketers out there, salute. It's because of you that this whole movement has been blowing up. I'm telling you right now, we started the second channel to give even more content and to battle censorship. So thank you so much if you're subscribed to this channel, because you literally are making a massive difference. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe right now, because we're going to be doing content on both channels. You're not going to want to miss it, the main channel and this channel. I'm going to probably be sliding in secret gems here on this second channel to reward those who truly are passionate about this movement and following. So thank you so much for being a loyal supporter. And then also, if you're not part of the private Facebook group, join in the link below. We have 15,000 members in that. And ask me your credit question on Instagram. DM me your credit questions. I'm literally doing credit consultations for free, and I'm literally doing voice memos and answering people's questions in Instagram. So you're not going to want to miss it. We're blowing up on Instagram as well. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into it. Let's talk about the SPECTRA Business Credit Card that you need to know about. So first of all, I've already done a video on SPECTRA on my main channel. I'll put the link in the description below so that way you guys can go watch it, okay? I talk about SPECTRA because they got a lot of great products. SPECTRA is based out of the DMV area, okay? But they offer business products, right? Business loans, right? They also offer the personal side. But if we go over to the credit cards, okay, they have something really unique going on right now, okay? And we're going to talk about the underwriter as well. But what I really like about SPECTRA is they do business and personal lending. So check out that video about data points for that credit union, okay? But for the credit card, okay, you're going to see right here, if we go to learn more and apply, we're going to go look at their credit cards. So they have the business and personal credit cards, right? So they have one right here, earned 3% back on eligible net business purchases, which is pretty good. They have 0% APR for this first 6 billing cycles, but we don't care about that one. We care about this one right here. Intro APR for purchases and balance transfers. Business 0% introductory APR for the first 20 billing cycles. After that, 12% to 21% based on your credit worthiness, okay? And so then what we do is we look at, check this out. This is what's crazy. You always want to look at the terms and conditions. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Business 0% APR for 20 billing cycles for balance transferred within 620 days from account opening. Okay. I hope that you guys really get this. Most credit card companies will say you have to do the balance transfer of 90 days to 120 days of account opening. Okay, this one is saying you can basically hold the card for a year, dang near close to 2 years, without even doing the balance transfer. And then when you choose to do it, the offer is still good for you. Do you understand that? So you literally could get this card, okay? And we're going to talk about the data points in a minute. You could get this card and you could just put it in your sock drawer and wait until you're in the credit garden or whatever you want to do, and then activate this, move debt onto this card, and then you can keep doing funding or whatever you want to do. This is going to be very easy to hide utilization and to manage your cash flow, because you can literally activate this balance transfer method whenever you want. And because this card does not report to your personal credit, once you get this card, you could actually sweep the inquiry and then go get another card. Okay, now I want to show you this also as well, because a lot of people don't realize this. Okay, always be careful about exceeding your credit limit in a year, because it can void out your APR. So always read the fine print on stuff. But if we go over here to the application, okay, you're going to notice that you're going to actually need to be an entity. So you can't be this cannot work for sole proprietors as of what I know of right now. Comment below if you've ever worked with Elon Financial Services. This is going to be underwritten by Elon Financial Services. We're going to talk about that in a minute. But if you've ever gotten an Elon Financial credit card, please comment if you've ever gotten it as a sole proprietor. From all the data points and things that I'm seeing, you can't get it as a sole proprietor. But basically, you fill out this business information. Now, when I filled this out and when I got this back in November of last year when I did my credit run, right? I'm in the garden right now. Well, I actually just wanted to play with it and test it out. I had a lot of inquiries and a lot of new accounts. So I probably had, they pulled my Experian. I probably had like a 715 at the time just because of how many new accounts and inquiries that I had, right? So it was just kind of like, let me just try it kind of thing, and I could just wipe the inquiry. Well, I got approved for 10 grand, okay? And I was like, bet, I'm just gonna hold it until I need it, okay? And then I activated it recently to move some debt around, okay? But super simple process. Literally, I submitted, they wanted to review it, and I got approved in 3 days, okay? So if they tell you they need to review it, that doesn't automatically mean a denial. Now, what I wanted to also show you is it's underwritten by Elon Financial Services. Now, comment below if you want me to do more videos on Elon Financial Services. They have a bunch of other cards. I can even do all the cards that Elon offers, because basically what you could do is get an Elon card, sweep the inquiry, get an Elon card, sweep the inquiry. I know people that operate funding businesses and all they do is get them $100,000 to $200,000 worth of business credit cards and then sweep the inquiries. So Elon Financial, what you got to know about them is they have a lot of AI going on. So when you apply for a card, like let's say Flagstar would be another one. Flagstar would be based like Michigan. I'm out here in Vegas. If I applied for Flagstar, a credit card, I could be denied. And the reason for that is because they're seeing, why are you applying for it in Vegas, right? So you want to use a VPN when you're dealing with a lot of Elon Financial cards. You can sweep the inquiries. Now, my experience with Elon Financial has been, they work great, okay? Easy approval, super cool to get, awesome, right? I love it. I love the product. The customer service is kind of janky. They're kind of unorganized, right? So just be aware of that. I mean, because it makes perfect sense too, because if we look at who Elon Financial, if you go to Elon, you'll see that they deal with credit unions and banks. Actually, the thing's not showing up. There's some other cards here. We'll go over that on another video. But what you'll see is U.S. Bank is actually Elon Financial is a subsidiary of U.S. Bank Corp. And what you'll also know is Key Bank partnered with Elon Financial. And why would Elon Financial be behind these big banks? Well, because when you operate a credit card company, people call in for customer service all the time. That's people you have to man. So basically, Elon Financial is a conglomerate, is a business behind most small banks, most credit unions underwriting process, because they deal with the approvals, they deal with the underwriting, and then it's a benefit for the bank or the credit union because then they'll get more products with them. Now, I didn't actually have to do any relationship banking with Spectra because I knew who the underwriter was. At any Elon Financial backed product, you don't actually have to do relationship banking. You can just go right in the gate and apply. So with Spectra, I did no relationship banking. I literally applied for the card. I got approved in 3 days after I applied. And I had basically 2 years to activate the balance transfer of 20 months. Okay, so this is a pure gem for each and every one of you. I'm going to be dropping more pure gems on this channel. I'm probably going to save some of my big gems for this channel to reward those people who follow this channel. So like, comment, subscribe, add me on Instagram, add me on Facebook, comment below of what you'd like me to do a video on. Let me know what you think about this card, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Salute.